Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add credit card to Apple Pay wallet without card. So just take note that you must have the digital card details in your bank's application or be logged in to use this method. So this method skips manually entering or scanning the card number in the Apple Wallet application. So stick to the end so you know how to do it. So first is to access your bank's mobile application. So just log into the official mobile application for the bank or issuer of the credit card that you want to add. So you just have to ensure that the application is updated to the latest version. And next is to locate the Add to Apple Wallet feature. So just look for one of these areas like the card management section, digital wallet settings, card details screen, and etc. So once you find the option, just tap on Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Apple Pay button next to your card details. Next is to authorize the digital transfer. So your bank will send the card token directly to Apple Wallet. So you just have to confirm the card and terms. So the bank app will automatically redirect you to the Apple Wallet interface to finalize the process. Lastly is to accept the terms and activate. So just tap on agree to the issuer terms and conditions, then tap on next or add. So your card is now provisioned and ready for use in Apple Pay without you having to manually type in the card number. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!